Hi everybody, it's Carrie with From Seed to Spoon. I'm out here in our seed starting area and I'm going to check in on our Salsa challenge seeds and see how they are doing. So it's been just about a week since I last planted these and I started them by seed. If you missed that video, I will link to it down below. Make sure you check that out. And I hope that you all will join us in growing your own salsa garden and starting all these from seeds as well. It is so much fun. It is so rewarding to grow your own. So last week I started all of my seeds in my biodome and I brought it out here and I put it on my heat mat and kept that biodome lid on it with the vents covered, so that way the moisture and the humidity was doing its thing and working really hard to germinate those seeds. It's done really well. I honestly haven't really even done much with it this week, so it's going to be kind of a short video. All I've done this week is just pop in, just look at them, see how many seeds it sprouted, and so far most all have sprouted. Let's go take a look. Okay, I have them down here in this biodome here, and I have these lights down right over this lid right here, so that way they get as much light as possible. But I'm gonna go ahead and lift them up just a little bit so that way we can get a little bit better look and see how they're doing and peek in here. So we have some seeds sprouting here. Some of them haven't yet, but that is just fine. We're gonna give it a little bit more time. These basil and marigold seem to go a lot faster for me than the other ones. But since I have the heat mat on them, I'm expecting them to continue to pop up and do good. I should be hopefully seeing lots of new baby seedlings here soon. But since not all of them have sprouted yet, I'm going to keep this lid on and I'm going to keep it on this warm mat right here to keep them heated up. It'll help to increase the germination rate too. And then I'm going to keep these grow lights right on top of this as well. And then once I see that more or at least most of these seeds have sprouted, I will go and take this off. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. I'm just going to kind of continue to rotate this around every time I come out here and check in on them, just so that way the ones that have sprouted, because these ones were a little bit faster at sprouting than like these peppers over here. So these ones, I want to make sure that they're not going to be getting leggy or reaching too much for the light. So I'm just going to keep continuing to rotate and keep this grow light directly on top of them. So I'm going to go ahead and lower it back down. I really like those pulleys right there. If you haven't ever seen those, you definitely need to check them out. They are awesome. It makes lowering and raising these grow lights so much simpler. So not too much exciting has happened this week. Still waiting on a lot of them to sprout because some of them are the slower growers. So I'm just going to keep track of them and hopefully within the next week we'll have a little bit more exciting update for you. But for now, at least some of them have sprouted, so that's exciting, right? I'm looking forward to continuing on this journey with you all, and I will see you all next week and let you know how it's all going. See y'all.